Hey there, it's Nikos here, and it's time for the Trader of the Week. Actually, Traders of the Week, because I have two this week, two trades. I have more that I like, but I just want to point out two trades that members took. And let me start with Jan. Jan is he traded using the USD CHF pair and ended here trying to get in with our Simple Smart Forex EA. So he missed actually the setup and placed an order later on with our second EA down here. And what happened, you can see this on this chart. It's really easy to spot. He explains it also. 3 entries with combined total 139 pips, risking 31. So that is really great. He split the position into 3 parts. First 37 points, the second part 60 point, and the last one 42. He just trailed the APO, the account protection order, below price. And that's the way to do this. I like the management. It's a classic trade. It's a kind of late entry, but what I like is that he took action and said, okay, I missed the first one. I wanted to get into this trade and I didn't have the chance. I try now to get in anyways, a little bit late. So when you know what you're doing, the risk is okay, no problem. So well done managing the trade correctly. That's the whole key. Getting in is great, and finding the entry and everything, but how to manage the trade, it's always the key. I'm in now. I don't want just to snatch a few pips and then get out. I want to manage the trade correctly according to the rules. That's what will help you get profitable long term. Okay, so well done, Jan, for this trade. A second trade I also like a lot is was taken by Sergio, and here you can see this. I'm not sure if it's visible on the screen that much, but it should be. Here's a line, a support line. This is major support. So we had a big bounce and you see the price is spiking there. It moves up and it gives us on a lower time frame. It's not easy to spot here. A 1, 2, 3. So he missed this one and he decided to go to a lower time frame to get in, even though he knew there was resistance. But what he liked was the major bounce and support, and he said, okay, price can only go up or down. In this case, because it really did bounce here, I assume it will go up. So with low risk, the whole key is the risk management, right? So he said, I get in late because I find major resistance, but because my target is huge, the double tops up here, or the previous high, sorry, it now looks like double tops, it's much bigger than my original account protection order. So with low risk, it's worth trying. Okay, so taking action is always the key. If you know what you're doing, you identify major resistance, you know it's maybe not the best place to get in, but you know exactly why you do this. With low risk management, you can always get in, and you see the reward is huge. It's over 430 points on this trade. So well done. Great management, and if you would take out everything here and in this area, it's okay. He trailed the account protection order closer to price, so perfect. If price wants to move higher, great. If not, it's also no issue. So I just wanted to mention those two trades. Well done, guys, for taking those. If you have great trades, you want to share them with me, make sure you send me an email. If you like what you see here, what the guys do, give us a thumbs up, a like, comments please. We always like to see the comments, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the weekend. Happy and healthy trading. Bye for now, guys.